Hi there. Blue bottle remover from Vision is the best remover. See link below. You may need to apply extra drops of remover after the bond starts to crack. I'm removing 3 extensions at once. This can sometimes save you time. To help break up the bond, hold one end with pliers and push bond around to increase crumbling. It's important to really pulverize the keratin so it slips off the hair easily. After bond is sufficiently crumbled, hold hair at root, then pull off extension. It should slide off easily. Use detangling spray after the removal to help with tangling or matting above the bond. I won't lie, removing K-tips can be a lot of work. Average removal is 1 to 2 hours for a full head of 125 to 175 strands. K-tips last an average of 4 months or longer and can be the best extension system for many, especially active people. I'm now removing single K-tips. Never remove K-tips by reheating bonds. This spreads out a thin layer of keratin that will remain in the hair and cause tangling and matting. If you cut the keratin bonds small, the removal is easier. Just make sure they are large enough to adhere to the client's hair. Thank you for watching. Visit visionhairextensions.com or look for product links in description. And please give us a like.